Hello, this is Renee, and Tom and I are on the Ultimate World Cruise, and after 2 days at sea and missing Madagascar due to a cyclone, we're docked in Mauritius. We have a packed agenda of laughs, cakes, and adventures, so let's dive in. First up, let me introduce you to the latest must-have cruise accessory, the 𝗨𝗨𝗧𝗓𝗧 sash. We had a cake decorating contest. Picture this, cakes, cakes, and more cakes, all while the ship is rocking.
The ship. 3, 2, 1.
Which cake would you have voted for? Do you agree with the winner? Comment below and let me know. And here's the winner. The Windjammer was overflowing with cakes. Our evening entertainment was none other than 𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗓𝗧, the sensational singer who won Chinese television singing competition. Her voice took us on a journey that was nothing short of magical. The next day, it was time to find out who is the sexiest man at sea. Congratulations to the winner, Mr. Poseidon himself. Our sea days are over and it's time to dock in Mauritius. We were warmly greeted by the local culture. Mauritius is nestled in the Indian Ocean, celebrated for its stunning beaches and lush landscapes and rich cultural mosaic. It is home to the Black River Gorges National Park. It's a vibrant blend of African, Indian, European, and Chinese influences. We hopped on a bus for a 30-minute ride to start our 10-mile e-bike journey. We each got fitted for our bike and helmet, and we were off. Keep a close eye on this water bottle. It may go somewhere. This is the last of our paved road for a while, and we are about to go off-road. This e-bike journey is going to take us through the sugarcane fields of Pamplemousses. So far, the water bottle wants to stay in the holder. It looks like there's a road right there we could have taken, but it was closed at the top of the road.
You want to lower your seat. Right there.
Thank you. And there it goes, not even on a bumpy road. After trying to hang on to it and ride the bike at the same time, I passed the bottle off to Tom for him to put in his backpack. So welcome to the stunning sugarcane fields. These lush green expanses stretch as far as the eye can see. They can get as high as 12 feet tall. It was definitely a bumpy e-bike experience in the beginning. We got to ride on pavement for a little bit and then back into the sugarcane fields. We navigated bumpy roads through endless sugarcane fields, feeling like we were on the Tour de France, except with a lot more wobbling and less lycra. Our destination was worth it though. We stopped at a colonial chateau built in 1859. It was constructed by a wealthy sugar baron. These grounds are home to several giant tortoises. They are native from the Seychelles. They are one of the largest species in the world and can live for over 100 years.
Unfortunately, ours is an extinct species.
An adult can reach up to 550 pounds or 250 kilograms, and females up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. They can grow up to 4 feet or 1.2 meters in length. And just like that, we are back going through the sugarcane fields. We did stop for a minute to take a picture of the volcano. This volcano's crater is approximately 300 meters or 984 feet in diameter and about 80 meters or 262 feet deep. It last erupted around 700,000 years ago. As we head back into town, we have to cross a busy highway. We have to use a pedestrian bridge. It felt a bit like Indiana Jones minus the boulders. As our ride comes to an end, we drop off our bikes and hop on a bus to head to the local Mahogany Mall. We spent about a half hour there before our excursion was over to head back to the ship. This was only a half-day excursion, so the other half of the day we explored the port area. And of course we went to McDonald's. Our entertainment that night was the hilarious Rocky Osborne, who had us rolling with laughter. The next day we took a leisurely walk around the port, enjoying the sights and sounds. Our entertainment for the evening was the smooth sounds of Roger White, wrapping up our day perfectly. So there you have it, a whirlwind of cake, contests, and crazy adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun-filled cruise adventures. See you at the next port.